Hey guys, so it is day 3 of our lesson on Make a Difference, and today we are going to be looking at some different types of vocabulary. Today we're going to be talking a little about compound words. So a compound word is a word that is made up of two smaller words, and the two smaller words can help you understand the meaning of the compound word. So here are a few examples here. It has given you the word outreach. So you have out plus reach equals outreach. The second one, backdrop. We have used this word before when we were studying our dramas and our plays. Backdrop. So you have the word back plus drop. You have the word greenhouse, green plus house, and mountaintops. Mountain plus tops. So you have two smaller words that are making up one word, and the two smaller words can be broken apart to help you understand the meaning of the compound word. Some compound words that you may have noticed in your text, the storyteller's candle, are words such as storyteller, a person who tells a story, right? Afternoon. So afternoon is after noon, and noon being 12 p.m. Everyone, all of the people, everyone. Countertop, the top of the counter. Sidewalks, a place for you to walk that is on the side. And a fireplace, a place for you to put a fire. So studying the two words that make up a compound word can help you figure out the word's meaning. So the storyteller's candle has a compound word right in the title. The word storyteller is a compound word because it is made up of two smaller words, story and teller. When I look at these separate words, I can figure out that a storyteller is a person who tells stories. When I see other compound words, I can use the same technique to figure out their meaning. Okay? Now, let's look at some others. I am going to try to write on the screen here for you, and don't mind the sloppy handwriting. I'll try to make it as nice and pretty as possible. So here's one for you. No one. So we had everyone earlier. I read that one to you. So here's no one. So that would mean not one person, no one. We have red head. That would mean you have the word red plus the word head, redhead, a person with red hair, a redhead. Softball. Soft plus ball. Not that the ball is really that soft, I wouldn't say. I still don't want to get hit with a softball. Soft ball. But I guess it is softer than a baseball. Okay, so there are some more compound words that you can think about. And I want you to think, pay attention as you read, see if there's any others that you may come across that we haven't mentioned here, okay? Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about today before we get into our text, we're going to look at our Anchor Chart 16 here on text and graphic features. We have discussed text and graphic features before. Text and graphic features present important parts of the story in different ways. Your text features, maybe you have punctuation, such as ellipses. Ooh, I know that we have used those as we were citing evidence in a text. Maybe we couldn't write the entire thing out, so we used ellipses. Dashes, colons, they can all indicate important text will follow. Then you have kinds of type can show emphasis or indicate a title, like boldface type, or maybe all capital letters, or italic print, large letters, small letters, very colorful letters. Then you have your graphic features. They are visuals such as illustrations, diagrams, maps, and speech bubbles that help explain ideas in the text. So here you have a conversation taking place, blah, 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 blah. They are using their speech bubbles there for you, a visual for you to see. And then beside that there you have a map that's being used as a visual feature for you. So all of these things can be used to draw the reader's attention. Maybe that different kind of type is drawing the reader's attention. You may use that italic text to indicate words and phrases in languages other than English. Okay, so I want you to pay attention as you are reading. Practice using the text and graphic features that you will find in the Storyteller's Candle to help you gain a deeper understanding of the story. Okay, my friends, and I will leave you with your My Book so that you can begin reading the Storyteller's Candle once again. And today I want you to think about those text and graphic features. Have a great day.